it will be done. Then from there, the second, it is the jinga, entangawuzi. You require 3 kgs. Pound them. Boil them in 10 to 20 liters of water. At least in 20 liters of water, you can add 100 mils. 3 times a week. You will be preventing, controlling, and above all, treating some other diseases, like a cough, like a flu. It is done by this. I don't think whether if I stop here you will complain, because you have the tendency of complaining. How much have you paid to Mutebi? Because when I tell you that send some water to him, you don't. You continue, you have delayed. Now today we have added 2 items, charcoal and jinga. This jinga have to be pounded such that I don't need the powdered jinga. I'm talking about the fresh ones. That's what we pound and boil. Then 100 mils, put in 20 liters. At least in a week, 3 times, or for 3 days. And even this charcoal. Even if you say that in every feed you are feeding them, you add the charcoal, no overdose, no side effect. Because I told you before, there is a reason why I told you before. The reason why I deserted from medical, people were storming the health center. They were not sick, but simply because they were lacking some economic finances. Somebody comes, you send to the lab, take all the tests, and everything comes when it's negative. As a resolution, I said I might be in a wrong place. So that's why I decided to go and train to become a veterinary officer, to be sharing the knowledge, the skill, the information, and the technical services at no cost. Because here there is no one who is paying. And what you could be spending in this mild illness is going to be saved. But if you are within Uganda here, we are located in the new tax park at Katoke stage, 3rd floor. The room number is 482. Now, let me remind you, because I'm not good at picking calls. Nze sikwata masimu. Now, in case of anything, or inquiry, or transactions, those are the numbers you need to call on. These are Hajati's numbers. Mukubire, mugambe nti njagala kino. Once you do that, you will be worked on. But if it is too personal, then you require an appointment to see me or to meet me. Because I'm not always at the office. These 2 here are for Daphne. Is my personal secretary. If it requires an appointment, call those ones. If it requires visiting your farm, make an appointment with her. Tonkubira. I'm not going to pick. That's a hard fact. and is the one who is to program for me where I'm to go, is my PS, who handles all my movements. And this one here, up here, is the financial controller. Every transaction goes here. Then if it comes to the field worker, Ibra is there, Marvin is there, Abdu is there, at the office there. So please, this is what you need to do. I remind you, we started making our own universal farm care feeds. And even the concentrates are there at the office. It is just a call away. One, we deliver them wherever you want them, because I have somebody or some people in Zambia there. Some are in Madagascar, some are in Mozambique, some are in Botswana, some are in Liberia, Somalia, Nairobi, Kenya. We deliver them. So don't think that even if you are not in Uganda, they cannot reach you. That capacity we have. And the good news is that whoever have been asking the Luganda version of our book, it is done. Mwababadde mwebuuza obutabo bw'Oluganda bwawedde. Today onotandika okugamba munza okusoma kwa nnema. If you fail, there is UPE. But the book is already out. So it is a matter of just calling these numbers, and we deliver it to you. Here it is done. Now, we are going to compare and consider the breed we call Sussex.